Yo, fellow humanoids, welcome to some procrastination and perhaps some raging. And while we wait for some news, for meetings to end, about the Trump's special operation in Greenland, Danish kingdom, the Danish Commonwealth. Anyways, we are still at level 4, and we are trying to rank 4, trying to level up the missing tanks before we go to level 5, rank 5, to level up the missing tanks as well. Because this has an end to, it's while I'm leveling that up, my crew was also going to get leveled up, and I need that crew. I really need that extra speed, extra everything to compensate for my age. No shame in saying that. I'm not 20 anymore. Let's play. Cheers and coffee. Bit old. As far as I can remember, Yak Tiger, that one needs to be leveled, and Ferdinand needs to be leveled, and the Google Blitz.
Aufblitzen! Los! Klar machen zum Gefecht! Luftfahrer bereit! Richtschütze bereit! Ladeschütze bereit!
So where can I hide? This I will not dash. I will definitely not dash across that. I will die faster than a pilot whale in the Faroe Islands. Object is a Russian. Come on. He will not pop up. Strange. Yeah, of course.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Clobbered me straight away, and we got
Panzer, 12 Uhr, Entfernung 550 Meter. Getroffen!
yes. That saved my bacon. And that one must not see me. And straight ahead here. Panzergranate. Come on.
The enemy's getting closer to victory.
Oh, he's like in the front. Okay. Well, who the hell is shooting?
Allied forces have captured a zone.
Look at that. You need to.
Flieger! 12 Uhr! Entfernung 1000 Meter! Panzer! 12 Uhr! Entfernung 350 Meter! Panzer! 12 Uhr! Entfernung 400 Meter!
What the hell?
Panzer! 12 Uhr! Entfernung 350 Meter!
Upward deflection, man. Come on, give me a break. Oh, desperation. Yeah, thank you. Something, there's something very strange here. I haven't been murdered yet. That is, what there is? Jagdpanzer.
450 Meter.
We're ahead of the enemy.
Wir wurden getroffen. Panzer, 12 Uhr. Nah. Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 450 Meter. Wir wurden getroffen.
Never say never. The X-nay to the dying nay. Oh. Come on. Yeah. Just bring out the... That's heat. Okay. While we're waiting for the news, oh, that's a bomber, dude. He's gonna, oh yeah, no, not going to do anything. Viva, who's shooting here? Totally annoying.
Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 550 Meter.
Thank you bloody much.
Panzergranate geladen. Tiger, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 600 Meter.
Just keep it up, and victory will be ours.
Out the Tiger.
Wir wurden getroffen.
Oh, I slanted. Oh my god, 6 and
Panzergranate geladen.
Alt E.
Bewusstlos.
Bewusstlos. Tigers and Tiger this and Tiger that.
Wir wurden getroffen. Wir wurden getroffen.
Thank
Ziel
you.
abgeschaltet.
Can't reach that one.
Wir wurden
Okay.
getroffen.
6.
Völlig hinter bewusstlos. Ziel zerstört.
Unbelievable.
Wir wurden getroffen.
6. 6.
Wir wurden getroffen. Feuermotor auf. Wir wurden getroffen.
Okay,
Die Fliese ausgefallen.
that was it. Up is here.
Flieger, 1 Uhr.
Okay.
Let's keep the pressure on. Victory is close.
We are under strain here. We need to
Panzer, 10 Uhr. Entfernung,
definitely run across
450 Meter.
and get to the A point.
Tiefflieger!
Panther, 10 Uhr. Entfernung 500 Meter.
Einmal ein voller Erfolg, Kameraden!
Oh, shell.
Und gute Arbeit!
Shell shattered. What's this? Oh, 22.000 until zerstör. Mhm, 45. Yeah. Do we need, or do we got any agility? We take that. We got Yaktiga, agility. Okay. Nothing. And the Ferdinand. We got driver. And we got gunner. And we got loader. Oh my lord. So reload? Is that what you're thinking? What about loader? I can take one load also. I can take one load. Oh my god, what the hell are you saying? Agility. Field repair. No, he's lacking behind. He's just got like 13. The others are in the 90s. Anyways, almost out of coffee. I should have more coffee. What was the time now? News should be out in like 20 minutes or something like that. From the next 2 hours. The main news should be out and we can make a video. But I'm personally very excited. Not just to make videos. I'm very interested in knowing what happens. APC 272 252. Okay. We need to decide which one. I'm not close combat. What are we? Perhaps we can go down that gorge at C3. I try to shoot towards A. Or hear me out. Let's just check. Let's see here. One kilometer away.
The enemy has captured most of the strategic zones.
Marder. That's light tank. Scouting.
Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung 900 Meter.
has definitely got me spotted.
The enemy's getting closer to victory.
Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 850 Meter.
Yeah. Do you see that leaning into the
800 Meter.
enemy? That was perfect.
Panzer, 12 Uhr.
Oh,
Entfernung, 400
hey. That was also good from him. There were like 2 of them. Okay. We shall try again.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
We shall try again, and we got that poker trying to spawn kill. I hope they get this behind. No. Oh, look at that. That Chinese, that's a woman sign. I can see that. That's the tree, the house. Is that chatty woman? Chinese Karen. Young stars. And there's a helicopter.
Attention to the map.
Hey. Good enough. Where is the bugger?
Panzer, 1 Uhr. Entfernung, 850 Meter.
Feuer in euer Sektor.
Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 1100 Meter.
Ziel beschädigt. Victory is near. Getroffen!
Wir wurden getroffen. Panzergranate geladen.
Defend the sea point. Thank you very much.
Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 900 Meter.
Wir wurden getroffen! Es brennt!
Panzergranate geladen.
Wir wurden getroffen! Ziel zerstört! Allied forces have captured the zone.
Panzergranate geladen.
hell was that? From the back.
Most of the zones are under enemy's control.
Okay.
Allied forces have captured that zone.
There's no need dying here.
Attack the B point.
No.
Let's keep the pressure on. Victory is close.
Panzer, 11 Uhr, im Nahbereich. Panzer, 10 Uhr, nah.
Thank you very much.
Panzer, 11 Uhr, nah. Treibspiegelgeschoss geladen.
The enemy controls most of the strategic zones.
Panzer, 12 Uhr, im Nahbereich. Wir wurden getroffen. Tiefe anrichten. Treibspiegel geladen. Treibspiegel geladen.
A little more effort and victory will be ours.
Wir wurden getroffen. Maschinengewehr, einsatzbereit. Kraftfahrer, vorwärts, Marsch! Verstanden! Vorwärts, Marsch!
Oh my god.
Attention to the designated grid square. Allied forces have captured the zone.
Panzer, 10 Uhr! Ja, wir wurden getroffen! Kurs! Treibspiegel geladen! Landpanzer, 9 Uhr! Entfernung, 800 Meter!
Attention to the designated grid square.
intense, huh? Can we make it? Can I make it to get some points? Maybe not. Well, that was intense. You know, it's intense when I do not speak. My little old brain is working overtime just to stay alive. I'm just gonna say replay here. I like to watch games that I win sometimes. I always say that I need to make a compilation of where I'm a success. Let's see this guy here. That sign here. That's definitely woman. Is that Japanese or Chinese? Don't know. So, did I get any nice shit here? Mission, definitely also interesting. Radio communication. I can't remember if I got artillery here. No, so that's not important now. So we will take vision and vision. That was the time. Yeah, one more game. Then we're gonna try to do something more sensible, doing the research for the next news videos, and perhaps even start the first tech video. Oh my god, the procrastination. Oh. Partly because I live in Denmark and as I told earlier, the kilowatt hour price is almost $2 sometimes. $2 to US dollars a kilowatt hour. Just imagine. The industry must low it. Just playing this game with my new gaming computer is bloody expensive.
Da machen zum Gefecht. Kraftfahrer bereit. Richtschütze bereit. Ladeschütze bereit.
If I am really, really, really good, I can stand here let's see. I can stand here if I can see them actually, yeah? Binoculars. Yeah. I can stand here.
Panzer, 12 Uhr.
Lean.
Entfernung, 1000
Lean.
Meter. Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 1300 Meter. Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 1300 Meter.
Enemy forces have captured the zone.
Why it cannot lift?
Panzer, 1 Uhr. Entfernung, 1200 Meter.
So stupid.
12 Uhr. Entfernung,
I
50 Meter. Panzer,
are they shooting at me?
Entfernung,
Perhaps.
1300 Meter. Kurs.
Ah,
Panzer,
can't make it.
12 Uhr. Entfernung, 1300 Meter. Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 1300 Meter.
Attack the sea point.
Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 700 Meter.
Auf dem Weg!
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Fehlschusskurs!
Oh, the reload time, man. Huh? Na 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 na. Yeah, something like this.
Voll rein, Seite!
Ah,
Kurz! Höhe anrichten!
Andre,
The enemy is winning.
is it aim higher or what? Or too high?
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Ah,
Kurz! Panzer! 1 Uhr! Entfernung! 700 Meter!
underneath my.
Panzer! 12 Uhr! Entfernung! 650 Meter! Panzer! 12 Uhr! Entfernung! 700 Meter! Panzer! 12 Uhr! Entfernung! 1300 Meter!
Allied forces have captured a zone.
Panzer! 12 Uhr! Entfernung! 1100 Meter! Panzer! 12 Uhr! Entfernung! 1200 Meter! Panzerwagen! 12 Uhr! Entfernung! 1200
I was shooting too.
Panzer! 12
Okay.
Uhr! Entfernung! 950 Meter! Kurs! Anrichten!
Another zone captured. We have the advantage.
Panzer! 12 Uhr! Entfernung! 1200 Meter! Panzer! 12 Uhr! Entfernung! 1200 Meter! Panzergranate geladen! Panzerwagen!
That was
12
not that
Uhr.
far off.
Entfernung! 1200 Meter! Panzer!
SPG.
12 Uhr! Entfernung!
Something like this.
1100 Meter! Querschuss links! 2 Grad! Panzer! 12
He's shooting at me. Yes.
Entfernung!
Hehehe.
1100 Meter! Panzergranate geladen!
That's that's experience for you. Like this.
They're winning.
Wir wurden getroffen!
He's shooting at me.
Panzergranate geladen!
Oi. Little bit higher. Okay, he is homed in. I need to move.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Okay, he lost my.
Panzergranate geladen!
Yeah, because he.
Wir sind startklar! Kurs! Anrichten! Panzergranate geladen! Ziel zerstört!
Look at all those Ferdinands.
Enemy is winning. We're counter-attack.
Sniper. Ja. Oh my god. Oh. We need to. I will go to my body.
Panzergranate geladen!
Enemy forces have captured that zone.
Need to get that one and
Attack the B point.
Vorsicht, Luftangriff!
Panzer! 10 Uhr! Entfernung! 1200 Meter! Panzer! 11 Uhr! Entfernung! 1500 Meter!
oh my god.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Yes. Now I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. Yes, I am. So.
Panzer! 11 Uhr! Entfernung! 1200 Meter!
Achtung, Fliegeranlagen!
Panzer! 12 Uhr! Entfernung! 1200 Meter! Feindspiegelgeschoss geladen!
I'm sorry, buddy.
Feindspiegel geladen! Panzer! 1 Uhr! Entfernung!
My body is going to get overrun.
Kurs! Höhe anrichten!
Wielding something fast. The enemy will win.
That was an excellent game. But they were better overall. And that's not good. That's good for them to be better overall. Excellent. That I must have scored some points on. Look at that. Not that much to camouflage. Oh, that's close as well. And this is close. I think I'm gonna play level 4 even though I level up until I get those camouflages. That's pretty neat. Oh, we're gonna take this one. 9. Okay. In motion. I'm gonna do that. This fully also close to not that close, but we're gonna get bigger and better. Pew pew later. Excellent stuff. Now I'm going to do some research on the news shit.